Well, hello everyone. This one is about tags, gift tags. Christmas gift tags to be exact. Okay, we're going to have another paper trimming session. And this time we're going to be making gift tags. And I'm going to use 2 pieces of 12 by 12. And I'm going to use a red from the Bold Brights package. And I'm going to be using a dark green from the Rich Regals. And just like the other ones I've shown you, I'm going to cut one, and this second one is going to be cut exactly the same way. Okay, with a 12 by 12 in your trimmer, whatever trimmer you plan on using, and we're going to make our first cut at 10.5. Next one is 8 3/4. Seven inches. All of these cutting directions will be on my blog. 3.5. Okay, now this 3.5, excuse me, this 3.5 is, we're going to be working with this one. And we're going to turn it horizontal. And we're going to cut it at 8 and at 4. Okay. So there's 2 3.5s. Okay, so you're going to have 6 that measure 3.5 by 4. That's 1 3/4. And I'm going to turn it horizontal. And I'm going to cut it 9 3/4. Six and a half. And 3 1/4. You have 2 1 3/4 by 12s. If you want to make all the cuts at one time instead of cutting each one 2 times, you can stack them together. And so I have these 2 pieces of 1 3/4 by 12, and I'm going to cut the first at 9 3/4. We'll do this just exactly as if I was doing these one at a time, except I'm doing them both at the same time. 6.5. Just make sure that your papers are lined up. And 3 1/4. There. Now that's all done. You don't have to do the second one. And this is 1.5. Yep, this is 1.5. I'm going to turn it horizontally. I'm going to cut it at 10.5. Nine. 7.5. And 6. 4.5. And 3. These 4-inch pieces, we are going to fold them in half. And so let's see, let's make sure. All right. Now you can score these at 2.5 if you want to. Or you can just fold them this way. You're going to fold all of these 4-inch ones in half. Now when you finish folding the 4-inch cards, you're going to end up with 12 of these. These can be place cards for your table setting, or they can be gift tags, whatever it is that you need to have. And from those 2 sheets of paper, you now have 12 plaque cards, place cards, or gift tags, and then these will all be used for the embellishing. Now we'll go on to that. Okay, when you get this finished, they're all going to be, put together the same way. There are 6 of this size, also of the green, and there are 6 of this size. So, well, I mean, there's 12, but 6 of each color. And what you'll have left will be these pieces here that you can use as gift tags. You'll have 2 each of this color in this size and 1 each of this color in this size.